Good morning, students. Just 3 days left, and exactly saying then 62 odd hours left for your imtihan ki ghadi. That is CLAT 2021. I hope and I am quite confident that all of you have prepared well. You all are fully loaded with your preparation and your studies, and you all are going to outshine this examination with flying colors. Still, as I have certain tips for you. First of all, as you all know that the pattern of this examination had undergone a big revolution. The number of questions have been reduced from 200 to 150, and the time that is allotted for this examination is still the same, that is 2 hours or 120 minutes. So I've personally noticed this thing that for every question you will get 12 seconds extra as compared to the CLAT 2020. So it's a positive thing. As I always say, is that we should always notice the positive aspects of things. Like glass को हमेशा आधा भरा देखना चाहिए, आधा खाली नहीं. Yes, coming to my personal tip that I have not only read in many books and newspapers, but I have also applied it on my personal life and I have got some positive results out of it. During my preparation days, and during my school days as well, I got to know that a mind has a brain clock. I thought कि ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या, ब्रेन में कोई क्लॉक होती ही नहीं. It's not possible. But then I started to set my alarm clock of my mobile phone, obviously, not this brain alarm, at 4 a.m. in the morning. I used to do it for 15, 20 or 25 days. Later on, I didn't set the alarm in my mobile. But मैं आज तक, even after 5 or 6 days, 6 years after, मेरी 4 बजे अपने आप आँख खुल जाती है. It's some people say it as a habit installation protocol, and some says it as a brain clock. So your examination slot is 2 to 4, right? 2 to 4 in the afternoon. So I will suggest all of you to practice mock tests in this time slot for the remaining 3 days. It would set your mind's alarm, your brain clock, to work most efficiently in this time slot from 2 to 4 when it is most required. जिस चीज की जब जरूरत होती है तब होना जरूरी है. आपके माइंड की एफिशिएंसी की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत आपको दोपहर के 2 बजे से शाम 4 बजे तक 23rd of July को पढ़ने वाली है. So work on it and it will definitely reap positive results. All the best. May you all shine.